Hey friends, welcome back to BunnyBakes&FoxyFlavors, where cozy comfort meets playful flavor. Today we're making one of my absolute favorite comfort dishes, crispy, cheesy, mushroom Parmigiano.
Here is what you will need. 4 portobello mushrooms, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 cup of marinara sauce, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. Spaghetti for 4 or pasta of your choice.
First, gently clean your mushrooms. Place them on a baking dish, where you could season them with salt, pepper, and oregano to your liking. Then, add marinara sauce over the mushrooms. Cover and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes.
In the meantime, get your pasta ready. Boil water, add a tablespoon of olive oil and salt. Cook pasta until it is al dente. Pour water out, add 1 tablespoon of butter, pinch of salt and pepper, and 3 pinches of oregano.
Check your mushrooms and add mozzarella cheese. Bake for another 10 to 15 minutes until the cheese becomes golden, and then serve over the pasta.
That's rich, savory, and totally comforting. If you give this mushroom Parmigiano a try, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the little fox bell so you never miss a cozy bite. Until next time, stay foxy and flavor forward.